So hello friends and welcome back to my channel ASWAL. In this video we are going to discuss some COVID-19 questions which is very important. So let's get started. Question number 1. Which was the first Indian state in which lockdown was declared? Question number 2. Coronavirus was originated in which place of China? Question number 3. Who was the first person to get vaccinated in India? Question number 4. Which was the first COVID-19 vaccine in India? Question number 5. What is the meaning of corona? Question number 6. Which was the first COVID-19 vaccine of the world? Question number 7. Which country developed the first COVID-19 vaccine? Question number 8. Who had declared COVID-19 an epidemic? Question number 9. Which one among the following is the name of COVID-19 test? Question number 10. Which app is launched by the Indian government to track COVID-19 in India? Question number 11. From which language is the name corona derived? Question number 12. Who started Operation Namaste to tackle the COVID-19 virus? Question number 13. Which app is launched by the Punjab government to spread awareness of COVID-19? Which city uses drones for cleanliness during the COVID-19 epidemic? Which cities hospitals are using robots to treat COVID-19 patients? Question number 16. Who started Isaac scheme because of COVID-19 lockdown? Question number 17. Who announced the use of unerasable ink for the identification of quarantine people? Question number 18. When was the first COVID-19 patient identified in India? Question number 19. Which laboratory had launched a 5 minutes COVID-19 testing kit? Question number 20. Which state chief minister launched self-declaration COVID-19 app? Friends, this question is for you as a part of homework and you will have to share your valuable answers in the comment box. So friends, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more GK questions and press the bell icon to stay updated.